A day on the river is just like any other day, really. You know, it's full of the same old decisions and routines. You start by washing up, and then there's the task of choosing what to wear, and you gotta have a solid breakfast. And after that, it's time to choose your method of transportation. Whether you take public transit, or just drive yourself. And out here, the commute's not so bad. But it is impossible to get there on time. Especially when there is no time. And there's not much of a there either. You do have some entertaining colleagues, though. They do their best to help the day pass. Even covering for you so you can sneak a nap after lunch. They get sidetracked easily, though. Maybe a little too fun-oriented. But they have their moments. I guess the goal is just to make it out of the grind with enough daylight to actually do something fun. Like spend some time with the family. Or grab a drink with a friend. You can't forget the necessities, though. Like tending the pets, getting a little exercise, and of course the status updates. Before you know it, the whole day's gone. You just gotta hope you did something productive. But if not, you can always try again tomorrow.